Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix black screen issue on Nintendo Switch 2. So if you have this issue, this is the actual guide from Nintendo support itself. So the first thing that you need to do is to unplug the AC adapter from both the wall and the dock or console. After that, leave it unplugged for 30 seconds to reset the AC adapter. After that, you need to hold the power button for 20 seconds. As see from here, this is the power button, you need to just hold it. And after that, you need to release it to perform a forced shutdown. After that, plug the AC adapter back into the outlet, then directly into the console, as see from here. So it's recommended to plug the charger into an outlet directly rather than a power strip. So you can actually do that just for testing. So sometimes the problem will be from the power strip, not from the charger itself. Also, if you are using a fake charger, not an original charger from Nintendo, that may be the actual issue. So you can actually now just press the power button once to turn on the device again. After that, you can check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, you need to test if the issue is from the charger or not. You can just try to let the switch charge a bit for 30 minutes and hopefully it works after that. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.